Is your natural hair constantly thirsty, brittle, and just not responding to all the moisturizers you're slathering on it? You're not alone, and it's probably not your hair's fault. Hi, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and what if I told you that the very products you trust for moisture are actually the secret culprit behind your dry hair struggles? Most commercial products are packed with alcohols that evaporate, leaving your hair more parched than before. Stick around to uncover the truth and transform your hair for good. Watch me fulfill an order for our Back to Naturalness Tallow Hair Growth Cream for hair and beards. This powerful formula comes in a 3.5-ounce jar and features a soft, creamy texture that melts on contact. Whether you prefer our signature natural scent or the unscented version, you're getting a potent blend of grass-fed beef tallow and premium oils. It's the perfect solution for thinning edges, patchy beards, bald spots, or receding temples. Listen, I'm on this journey with you. I deal with temple thinning myself, and I use this cream every single day to bring mine back. I'm pretty sure my thinning started when I was a little girl. My aunties used to put my bows on just a little too tight. We've all been there. The truth is, many unnatural products are filled with harsh chemicals that suffocate your follicles. That's why I created Back to Naturalness. It's incredibly versatile. Use it as a daily leave-in to lock in moisture, a pre-shampoo treatment to prevent breakage, or a scalp soother for dry itchiness. Let's get to mixing. We start with that rich, creamy tallow base. Now in goes the jojoba to balance your natural oils, the avocado oil for deep, penetrative moisture, that thick Jamaican black castor oil to strengthen the hair shaft, pumpkin seed oil to help block DHT, Arabica green coffee oil to give those follicles a caffeine boost, rosemary essential oil to increase scalp circulation, and finally, vitamin E to heal the skin and preserve the blend. I use a hand blender to whip it into a cloud-like consistency so it penetrates deeply. Wow, look at that. That is a powerful mix to start your journey. Every jar is hand-packed with care. Massage it into your scalp for 3 to 4 minutes daily to stimulate blood flow. Fellas, this is the ultimate solution for beard health. It stops the beard rough and helps you finally fill in those patches. Please note, results can vary, so consistency is key. Every day you wait is another day your follicles could stay dormant. Inaction leads to permanent thinning, but taking action now gives your hair the nourishment it needs to thrive. Get 30% off right now on the Back to Naturalness website, link in the description. You can also find us on Walmart.com and TikTok shop at full price. Thank you for watching. We hand make these in small batches to ensure freshness, so we do sell out fast. Grab your jar today before this batch is gone.